In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts in GoHighLevel funnels. Custom fonts are a simple way to elevate your brand and make your pages feel consistent and professional. Before you begin, make sure you have the font files ready on your computer and that you have the right to use them. GoHighLevel typically works well with common web formats like WAF, WAF2, TTF, or OTF. If you have multiple styles of the same font, such as regular, bold, and italic, keep them handy so you can upload each variant for the best results. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and clicking on Sites. This is where all your funnels and websites live. If you manage multiple workspaces or locations, double check you're in the correct one to avoid editing the wrong project. Once Sites is open, choose the funnel or website where you want your custom font to appear. Selecting the correct funnel now will ensure your font updates apply exactly where you expect them to. Next, open the page you want to adjust and click Edit to launch the page builder. Inside the builder, look for the typography icon. It's usually in the top or side toolbar and may be labeled Typography, Fonts, or Global Styles, depending on your interface version. Clicking that icon opens your font controls. Now, click the currently selected font to expand the full list of available fonts. This is where you'll see System and Google fonts, plus the option to bring in your own. Choose the Upload Font option, then select Upload from Device. Navigate to the font file on your computer and confirm the upload. If your font family has multiple weights or styles, upload each one in turn so headings, subheadings, and body text render correctly. Keep your naming clear, like regular, medium, and bold, to make assigning styles easier later. If you notice a mismatch after upload, double check that the file you selected matches the style label you're giving it. When you're done, click the save icon in the builder to apply your changes. Give the page a moment to update, then preview it to confirm the new font is showing everywhere you expect. Check both desktop and mobile views for readability and spacing, since different fonts can slightly shift line breaks. If the change doesn't appear right away, refresh your browser or clear your cache. Finally, skim your page for any sections or elements that might still be using a different style and update them to keep your branding consistent across the entire funnel.